Question number 1. Milton, did you like the church service today? I did. That was a good service. Question number 2 is, Milton, are you going to write any songs today? Yes, definitely. I'm going to write 2 songs. Question number 3. Milton, are you going to write songs to instrumentals from the Eminem show? Yeah, you know what? I'm going to write a song to one of the songs, 7th track on the Eminem show, Saying Goodbye to Hollywood. I'm going to write a song to that. But, and as an outro, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that this dog, pure-blooded Pomeranian, let's see who will win, who would win the match. Let me see. This is a Pomeranian puppy. Short haired. He's not Chihuahua. He's Pomeranian. 100%. He's just a rare breed Pomeranian.